How to find Telegram channels. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and join Telegram channels. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply open Telegram application. If you're using Android or iOS, you gotta follow the same steps because the Telegram application operates the same on both of the devices. So you gotta go to chat section, click on search bar and type in any of the channel that you wish to join. Let's say you want to join the channel of birds community. Simply type in birds, click on search, and you'll be able to see various communities and channels over here. So let's say you gotta join this one, click on it. And for channels, you'll be able to see join button only. Click on join and then you'll be able to see that you have successfully joined it. And when you join the channel, you can see the similar channels over here that you can join. So if you want to join any of these, you can give them a check. Now, when you go back to the chat section, you'll be able to see that specific channel appear over here. And if you wish to archive, you can simply slide it to the left, click on either archive, delete, mute, whatever you want. And that is basically how you can find and join Telegram channels. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.